most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Addis Uclone.
You remember a few weeks ago we were in the 70s? I know, it feels like forever ago, right? I love showing this graphic, especially when we get to the end of every month, because it really kind of tells the story of how the month has gone. You could see, I mean, look at the first 7 days of November. Most of those days we were well into the 70s. It was our warmest ever start to a November. But as we mentioned in the beginning of the month, there was going to be changes in the weeks ahead, and there certainly has been. Notice how many blue boxes here. Those are days that were spent below average. We have seen a bit of a rebound, though, in the last 6 days or so, with temperatures back into the 50s. And now we're kind of going into these ups and downs as we finish the month. So despite the cooler weather, we are still a little over 2 degrees warmer than normal. We have gotten some scattered rain here and there for the month. And with Wednesday's rain, we should finish close to normal. Right now, 0.3 inches below normal, but we're still about 3 inches below normal for the year. Live view outside right now over Lititz, one of our newest cameras. Things are pretty quiet out there. 46 degrees. The winds have backed off, and that trend should continue overnight. Temperatures are now in the mid to upper 40s for most of us. Louisville, our cool spot, looks like at 43. And we've got Lancaster at 48. So with the clearing skies overnight and the calming winds, most of us should drop back down below freezing as we kick off our Tuesday. And there's going to be some chilly nights ahead this week. So Wednesday morning will be near 40. And then look at the end of the week. By Friday morning, we're down into the 20s again. So yeah, certainly those thicker winter coats are going to be needed again, even though we are also going to see some milder days in that 7-day. And we'll show you when that will happen in just a second. Still plenty of clouds on the satellite. Still watching a few specks on the radar, but really nothing that's reaching the ground at this point. With high pressure building in, we should be pretty quiet overnight. High pressure is pretty much centered right over top of us, and then there's our next storm that's just now developing over the Rockies. That's going to get here on Wednesday and bring us our next shot of some steadier showers. So overnight tonight will partially clear out, so tomorrow morning we'll wake up to some sunshine, but kind of like today, I do think the clouds will be back tomorrow. So mostly cloudy tomorrow, temperatures in the upper 40s, but we're still dry until we get into first thing Wednesday morning. So notice by about 6 or 7 a.m., I'd say by then we're going to start to see showers move in west of Harrisburg, and then the rest of us will start to see that throughout the morning. Some of this rain Wednesday morning could be a bit steady, although we're not talking about any heavy rainfall amounts or anything like that. By 2 p.m., I'd say on Wednesday, most of this is out of here, and then by Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening, it's all about the colder conditions and the wind to follow. So Wednesday is going to be a windy day. First, we'll start out with southerly winds at about 10 to 20, and then we're looking at gusts by Wednesday afternoon, likely over 30 miles per hour, and I do think that continues into Wednesday evening, so keep that in mind if you're going to be outside later in the day on Wednesday. Then colder air returns again. You can see by Friday morning we're in the 20s, 40s for highs both Thursday and Friday. We do trend a little milder again as we head into Saturday, but again, when we get these milder days, we also get rain, so showers on Saturday, and then it turns cooler again in behind that front early next week. So really no big storms coming or anytime soon, but any rain helps because it has certainly been dry this year, and we're going to kind of get another round of that helpful rain here on Wednesday.
Oh, that's good. Helpful rain. It's good to think of it that way.
Exactly. And we saw some